power is off. The last page to go. Huh? You look, stop. No, stay still. You might hit something in the dark. Hey, Mom? Hey, Dad? Why did the electricity go off?
I don't know. I checked the fuses, but they're fine.
All the lights are out. It's a citywide electrical problem.
I was doing my homework. I had one last page to finish.
Oh, really? You can use the flashlight.
That would be great.
Oh, I think the battery died.
Now I can't do my homework.
It is getting late. You should get some sleep.
Yeah, you have a point, Mom. Okay, good night.
Okay, good night, dear, and sweet dreams. Neşe! Neşe! Honey, it's nearly 9. You'll be late.
Huh? What? Oh no, Mom! Ah!
Neşe? Are you all right?
I'm fine, Mom. My clock stopped. Huh? My alarm didn't ring, so I slept late, Mom.
Mutlu left already. Come on, get ready for your first class.
Okay then, Mom.
Come in.
I'm really sorry for being so late today, ma'am.
You may take your seat, Neşe, dear. Neşe, did you do your homework?
Sorry, ma'am. We lost electricity. I wasn't able to finish it.
Maybe you shouldn't wait until the night before. If you did it during the day, you'd have finished it already.
Yeah, I guess you're right, ma'am.
Who did their homework? Nobody finished it?
Sorry, ma'am. You see, the electricity went off and we couldn't see anything.
I understand. All right then, let's all finish our homework from yesterday together.
Oh, huh? Ooh, electricity went off around the world. Ooh.
Come in.
The recess bell.
Uh-oh, Gulchin. Are the bells not working?
Actually, nothing is working, ma'am. That's why I have the recess bell.
You look a little too happy about this situation.
No, why would I be happy? I can't even charge my tablet.
Zuzu, let's go outside to the garden.
I'm coming.
Did you hear the electricity is off around the world?
Yeah, I heard that.
Maybe this is the Shopalot's doing.
If they had passed through the moon security system, we'd know about it.
Well, when was the last time you contacted Minnie and Manny?
Yesterday morning.
Maybe they wanted to contact you, but they weren't able to. Maybe the Shopalots breached the moon security system again.
It's possible.
Recess is over. The bell is ringing.
You know, you don't have to ring it so loud, Gulchin. We can hear it.
Really sorry, Zuzu.
Oh, there's nothing. Nothing is working, Manny. I can't even fly.
The Shopalots are getting stronger. They've ruined our magnetism.
We must find a way to reach the Earth.
Who knows what is going on there now?
School is over.
I'll see you tomorrow, kids.
Neşe, how about playing tennis?
First, let's do our homework, Zuzu. We can play later.
Ah, yes, sure, our homework. I almost forgot again. The electricity is off.
Why do you think the electricity is off?
I don't know. It's off all around the world.
Oh, the traffic lights are off too!
Neşe, what do you think about this?
I don't know either. We better go back home before it gets dark and do our homework.
I agree with Neşe.
Hey sis, what are you doing?
Doing my homework, Mutlu.
The electricity has gone off and you're doing your homework?
Yeah, Mutlu. It's still daytime, and I can see my notebook, so I can do my homework.
I am certain that the Shop-a-Lots are behind this.
Yeah, I agree.
Then, what are we doing? Let's go outside and find them.
Well, first, I need to do my homework.
Oh no!
I'm almost done, don't worry. Mutlu, what are you doing?
I am waiting for you to finish your homework.
Can you be more quiet, please? I can't focus with you there.
I'll wait here in silence, Neşe, so don't you worry about me.
At last, I finished!
Yes, hooray!
Okay, let's go to the garden.
Neşe, I was just coming over to see you.
The electricity is still off.
Yes, it's off. The refrigerators don't work, so all of the food is gonna turn rotten.
Yeah, I guess my medallion isn't really working either.
What should we do then?
We'll just wait
Wait for what?
for the Shop-a-Lots to show up.
Hey!
Huh?
Start running! They're coming!
Are the Shop-a-Lots coming?
That's right!
Then let them come. An electricity Shop-a-Lot, tree Shop-a-Lots, all of them are here. So you guys like to play tennis? Well, take this. The houses are disappearing. There must be a dimension Shop-a-Lot around here. It's gone. I guess it can go look for the ball inside the dimension Shop-a-Lot now.
That was very clever.
Let's pull the electricity Shop-a-Lot over there too.
Hey, Shop-a-Lots, there's electricity over there.
Now catch this! Now come and get me! One electricity Shop-a-Lot is gone. It seems like maybe things might work out here. Yes, yes, come on. All right! Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. You guys wait here, and I'll be back soon.
Ah, I almost forgot. I have some homework to go and finish.
All right, I can start with the electricity Shop-a-Lots. Come on, beam power! There are just too many of them. Where are those Shop-a-Lots heading to? Oh, so you guys are heading for the main power Shop-a-Lot. Come on, beam power! Catch this! Huh? This one is quite big. This will be difficult alone.
Hi, Neşe. You look like you could use some help.
You know, I was just thinking, where's Goochlu?
Wow, this Shop-a-Lot is enormous.
Can you manage to put it to sleep?
Here, I'll try. Time to sleep now. This should help. I don't have enough power for all of these Shop-a-Lots, but I can try.
It's asleep.
There's just too many of them. Neşe, Goochlu, are you all right?
At last you made it!
Electricity shop-a-lots broke the magnetism of the moon security system. All our pink technology malfunctioned. But we took care of it.
Hey, watch out! Come on, beam power! Ha!
Let's fix this problem right now. All you shop-a-lots, bring it on!
Everything is back on track now.
We did it together.
Okay, kids, did everyone do their homework yesterday?
Yes, ma'am!